Hey, what's up, SiaCoin holders? Many congratulations, my friend. I have a two good news is for all SiaCoin holder, my friend, and the very special, my friends, message for all of you. So let's start a brand video. But please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. This is very important to you will subscribe, because if you want to earn money from crypto, you will need to subscribe this channel. My friend, the first good news was that too I can't expect this, my friend, to this time they will starting moving upward, because you can see it in last 12 hours 0.36% they will get a profit. So that's mean to in this time also the price is increasing. So if you want to, my friends, sell it 100%, you will get a profit. So don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. I hope, my friends, the price is increasing. And let's see, my friends, let's talk about the second good news. 5th November, huge explosion. Definitely, my friend, on 5th November, very huge explosion is coming soon, because whether experts predicate this coin, and experts also do technical analysis. I also predicate this coin after a very hard result, my friend, after a very hard research. After that, my friend, I found it true, the price is increasing, and especially in the 1st November also, my friend, the first event now of SiaCoin. So therefore, after that also the price will slowly moving upward, but suddenly they will take a very huge jump after the 5th November, my friends. So therefore, the very huge explosion is coming soon on 5th November. You will also need to buy it before, my friends, 5th November. This is very important for all of you to get a very good profit. So this is the very good news for all of you. I will research for you, my friend. ABS Tech channel will work for you. So kindly subscribe this channel and keep touch with us. I'm 100% give you guaranteed you will earn a lot of money from crypto. Allah Hafiz, take care.